Navigating phone tracking, a guide.
Hello viewers. Today, we are discussing an intriguing topic, tracking a phone's location. More specifically, we'll be answering the question, how can I track my husband's phone location without installing any app? Before we dive in, it's crucial to remember that any form of tracking should respect privacy laws and an individual's consent should always be obtained. Now, let's get started.
Is it possible to track a phone without installing an app?
The answer is yes. It is technically possible to track a phone's location without installing an app. However, it usually involves leveraging built-in features on the device. You can't track a phone remotely without some sort of system, app, or service in place that is designed to share the location. Keep in mind, any form of location tracking should always respect individual privacy and consent laws.
How can I use built-in features for tracking?
Most smartphones have built-in location sharing features. For iOS devices, the built-in feature is called Find My. If your husband has an iPhone, and he has shared his location with you through the Find My app, you can see his location without installing any additional apps. For Android devices, the equivalent feature is called Find My Device. This feature must also be enabled on the device, and the Google account must be shared with you. Remember, these features are intended to help locate lost or stolen devices, not to track a person without their consent.
What about using web-based services?
Another possible method is through various web-based services that offer phone location tracking. These services often utilize public records, databases, and sometimes even the cellular network data. However, it's essential to note that these services might not always be accurate and they're dependent on the information being up to date. Some of these services might also infringe on privacy laws, so it's important to use them responsibly and legally. Tracking a phone's location without installing any app can be a complex process and can involve various methods. However, it's essential to always respect the privacy and consent of the individual whose phone you're trying to track. It's always recommended to have open communication and mutual agreement when it comes to location sharing. Remember, use these tools responsibly and legally. Stay safe, stay informed, and thank you for watching.